y'all, so I'm back with another video. We're just gonna go ahead and jump right in. I did already fill in my eyebrows. I will have my eyebrow tutorial linked in the cards, and it's probably gonna be in the description box as well, most likely, so definitely check that out. I'm gonna be using my favorite palette, other than the Morphe 35O. It's my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're gonna take raw sienna and burnt orange on my favorite fluffy brush and use those two colors as my transition colors. Alrighty, next I'm gonna take Real Gar on another fluffy brush and place that color in my crease. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with this little e.l.f. smudge pot, I guess, in the color Brownie Point. I'm gonna spray my brush. I'm gonna kind of use that to cut my crease. It's not gonna be like detailed, it's just a base. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of Cypress Umber and just kind of define my eye shape a little bit. So I'm only putting that on the outer V. Just gonna take my crease brush and use, there's no product on this brush, I'm just gonna help blend that out and bring it into my crease just a little bit. But as you can see, I didn't really put any color, so I am tapping off the excess and pretty much just smoking it up, making my eyes really smoky on the outer corner. Now I'm just going back in with the brushes that I was using earlier. No color is on here. I'm just blending out those edges. Next, I'm gonna go with my Carli Bybel palette, and I'm gonna do a mixture of these two bronzy shades. So I'm gonna go in with this one and that one, and I'm just gonna put that on my lid. Well, in the center of my lid, so just right here. As you can see, that kind of definitely brighten up my eye. I'm just gonna take a cream eyeliner and line my waterline. Raw sienna and burnt orange. I'm just going right under my lower lash line. Just gonna go in with Real Guard and Cypress Umber on the little smudge crease brush that I have, and take that under my lash line. I'm gonna go in with Primavera right here and highlight my inner corner. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of Morphe gel liner to help conceal my lashes. So guess what? I got a new pair of lashes from Meeks Next Door. I definitely think this is the style Camilla. If it's not, definitely check out my description box because that will have all the right names and the link to this website as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just snip these a little bit so that they can't fit my eye, and I'll place them on. So I will go ahead and link my current foundation routine in the cards as well as the description box, so be sure to check that out. Now, as you all know, I don't know if you know, but I'm gonna let you guys know, when I am going for like a more bronzy look and I do want my skin to look more natural, I do use the CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer in the shade Ebony. And I use this because it's a bronzer, so it's not a black contour. So it sculpts my face, but at the same time it does give some life and some definition, because there are can't really tell on camera, but there are like little sparkles or gold reflex in it. So I do like to use this on my skin when I'm going for a more bronzy look like today. Also, I do like to go for this blush. It's by Mary Kay. It's called Golden Copper Sun or something like that. And this is a fave of mine when I want more bronzy skin, because it does have some gold reflex in it as well. Today I'm gonna highlight with the Carli Bybel palette, and I'm just gonna use this really nice gold shade, champagne gold. Actually, I'm gonna use some of this as well as this. I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna use both shades as well to highlight my brow bone. My e.l.f. makeup set spray. So I'm just putting a little more highlight on my cupid's bow and on my lips For lips today, I'm just gonna use a really simple combination. I'm gonna use Chestnut Liner by MAC. Then I'm gonna go in with Fudg'd Gloss by ColourPop. So I'm just gonna kiss my lips together, I guess. And put some of this on there. Alright, so that is it, you guys. This is the finished look. Really bronzy. It's perfect for fall. Like, this color palette right now is really getting me ready for fall. So if you guys would like to see more fall inspired looks, please be sure to comment down below. Please be sure to like, and please be sure to subscribe, as well as put on your post notification bell. I do have a goal this September of reaching 200 subscribers. So if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. Please refer my channel to a friend, a family member, anyone. And if you haven't subscribed and you're watching, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's free, so just go ahead and press the subscribe button so you'll get all the inside deets of when I do upload, which is consistently every week, either on Thursday or Friday. Like I said, comment any looks you want to see, any videos you want to see in general, and be active. I always comment back. I love to interact, so if you guys do have any other video suggestions, like talking videos, I'm also game for that as well. So thank you so much for watching.